You should never forget what a person says to you when angry because that's when truth comes out. Real formula of Coca-Cola is written in a file and file is kept in a well-secured vault which is guarded by armed guards. This is ranked as one of the most secretive information of the world. The vault is one of the most secured vault ever. Chocolate has an antibacterial effect on mouth and protects us against tooth decay. Astronauts at International Space Station see a sunset or a sunrise after every 45 minutes, with a total of 15 to 16 of each in a day. Maturity does not come with age, it comes with experience. If a tree were planted for each Coca-Cola sold, we would have reforested the earth in 3 years. The smell of the rain which everyone loves is caused by chemical gosmin. No scientists know how it is mixed with rain, but a new study have found this smell can actually kill you, and according to them, we must avoid this smell. Seems strange but true. Having negative thoughts creates negative results, which is known as nocebo effect. Sony is going to launch smart contact lenses. It will record your life just with a blink of your eye. You can see your past moments anytime like reality. It can also track vital levels in your body, a future technology that will help to live fast. Eating chocolate helps your brain retain new information easily and is directly linked to high test scores. In 2016, Harper Kutz took a selfie while in car. She and her mom were only in the car. In selfie, they found a boy sitting on the backseat and got scared. No one could explain this. They found that 1 year ago there had been an accident on the same highway in which a boy died. 60% of fat and 31% of calories in Burger King's chicken sandwich come from mayonnaise alone. Disney owns 100% of Marvel Entertainment. Dogs that have emotionally negative experiences often lie awake at night worrying about their problems. In the 1930s, 2 psychologists adopted a baby chimp and tried to raise her as their own child alongside their real infant son Donald to see if this caused the chimp to learn human behavior. They stopped the experiment after 9 months because their son actually started behaving more like a chimp. That yellow arrow under the Amazon word represents the message that it sells everything from A to Z. Humans are the only mammal that cannot swallow and breathe at the same time. This coffee is served with a cloud of cotton candy. The coffee vapor rises to dissolve the cotton candy and the cloud begins to rain with sugar over the coffee. Coffee mellow in China. In 1996, Bear Grylls broke his back after falling 16,000 feet due to ripped parachute. 2 years later, he climbed the summit of Mount Everest. Nobody knows who named our planet Earth. A new study claims that second-born children are most likely to be troublesome.